हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल हेल्पिंग हैंड फॉर किड्स। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 2 ईवीएस रिवीजन वर्कशीट। दिस पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी हेल्प अस टू ब्रीथ लंग्स। दिस मेक्स आवर बोन्स एंड मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग। बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड। We get cotton from the cotton plant. These houses are also called float house. Floating houses are the houseboats. People in police who control traffic are called traffic police. People decorate their houses with the puklam on this festival Onam. And we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. And when we relax in our free time, we feel happy. Match the column. Stomach. Stomach looks like a bag. Thick hair on sheep's body. Wool. Caravan. House on the wheel. Swing and slides. Playground. Gujia. Holi. The next is right. True or false. The skin covers our bones and muscles. True. We must eat a balanced diet to remain fit and healthy. True.